Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your project management with Trello, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Trello website and create a free account. Once logged in, you'll land on the Trello dashboard. Here, you can create your first board by clicking on the Create New Board button. Name your board according to your project for easy identification. Choose a background color or image that resonates with your project theme. Next, you'll need to create lists. Lists are used to represent different phases of your project, like to do, in progress, and done. Click on Add a List to get started. Now that your lists are set up, it's time to create cards. Cards are individual tasks or items within your lists. To create a card, click on Add a Card under the relevant list. Give your card a descriptive title to encapsulate the task. After creating a card, you can click on it to open more options. Here, you can add detailed descriptions, due dates, labels, and attachments. Use the checklist feature for breaking down tasks into smaller steps. You can assign team members to cards by clicking on Members. To enhance collaboration, add comments for ongoing discussions with your team. Moving cards between lists is simple. Just drag and drop them as tasks progress through different stages. You can also utilize Trello's Power UPS feature for added functionality. Power UPS allow integration with other tools like Google Drive and Slack. Explore the Power UPS menu to find those that suit your workflow. For an overview of your project timeline, consider using Trello's Calendar view. This feature is accessed by enabling the Calendar power-up. Make it a habit to review your board regularly to keep tasks on track. Encourage team members to update their card statuses as they work. This will ensure everyone stays informed about project progress. You can also use Trello's mobile app to manage tasks on the go. With these steps, you are now equipped to upgrade your project management with Trello. Explore its features and customize your boards to fit your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.